In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Monday.com to create a financial board. We're going to keep this simple and practical. So if you're new to Monday.com, don't worry. A board is one of the main ways to organize information inside the platform, and creating a financial board can help you set up a dedicated space for tracking budgets, expenses, payments, or any other money-related workflow you want to manage. To get started, look for the plus icon in your Monday.com workspace. This button opens an additional menu where you can create new items inside the platform. Go ahead and click that plus icon. If you're following along in your own account, take a second to make sure you're in the correct workspace or area before you continue, so your new board is created in the right place. Once the menu opens, click on Board. This tells Monday.com that you want to create a brand new board rather than another type of item. Boards are useful because they give you a clear structure for organizing rows, columns, and updates all in one place. For something like financial tracking, this gives you a strong foundation that you can customize later based on your needs. After selecting Board, you'll be prompted to name it. In the name field, type Financial Board. Giving your board a clear and specific name is helpful because it makes it easier to find later, especially if you manage multiple boards for different departments, clients, or internal projects. A direct title like this also makes the board's purpose obvious to anyone else who may view it. Once the name is entered, click on Create Board. This final step creates the board and adds it to your Monday.com workspace. After that, you'll have a new financial board ready to use as the starting point for your setup. At this stage, the key goal is simply to create the board successfully. From there, you can begin building out your financial tracking system inside it. For example, you may later choose to add columns, organize groups, or tailor the layout to match how you manage your financial information. But for now, the important part is that the board has been created correctly and is ready for use. And that's it. You've now created a financial board in Monday.com using just a few quick steps. If you're following this as part of a larger setup process, this gives you the base you need to continue organizing your financial data in a clean and structured way.